Filmora 13 is a heavy program, and if it's lagging, freezing or running slow, there are few ways to make it faster. I'll cover two of those in this video. The first method takes time depending on the project size, but it's a great way to improve the project playback and reduce the load on your graphics card, CPU and RAM. If you're not in the default mode, I recommend switching to this mode. It's possible in other modes, but you must find the options. Next to Copilot, you'll see this render preview button. Click it. This button will render the timeline clips. You see the red timeline? This indicates that this part of the timeline is not rendered. Clicking here will render everything. And when the timeline is rendered, the program uses fewer resources overall, putting less pressure on your system. Once this is done, the entire timeline will be green. And when you preview the video, you'll see a huge difference. The second method is a common one that works great when you have multiple media files in the project. The method also works great when some of those files have higher resolution than the project. For example, when the project is HD, but media videos are in 4K. Select the heavy files from the project or select all the imported files. Right-click those files and click this Create Proxy File button. What this will do is create low-resolution files of the original. The lower the resolution is, the faster the program will perform. Don't worry, as Filmora will use the original clips when exporting, so there won't be any quality issues. You'll see Filmora creating proxies for each file. When a proxy file is created, you'll see this tiny icon next to the file. Now this was for the current project, but you can use the same settings for future projects, so you don't have to do this every time. Go to File and click Preferences, then click Performance. Ensure that the hardware acceleration is enabled. This will use your GPU to work faster. To render the preview, click this button and specify the time. I'll leave it to the default. This will render the timeline in the background when you add something new. Also enable the following option to create proxies of files automatically. If you work in Full HD, choose 1920 by 1080. If your project still lags, reduce it to a lower quality. Now when you import new files, the program will create proxies. So this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you need any help. I'll catch you later. Take care.